CALIPRI Profile Measurement Solutions for Wheel Rail System. This multifunctional CALIPRI C-Fork series adapts to all your needs. You can choose the perfect combination of measurement modules for your needs. The Wheel Profile CALIPRI module evaluates the wear and dimensional accuracy of railway vehicles, free from human error. The non-contact measurement devices are based on laser light section technology, which ensures highly accurate and reproducible measured data. In a matter of seconds, the most important measured variables appear on the sensor and are automatically compared to individual limit values. The actual and target contours are shown in color on the tablet PC. WOLFF Carpet Circle Cutter. The WOLFF Carpet Circle Cutter is a must-have tool for any professional carpet installer. This innovative tool makes it easy to cut precise circles in carpet for installations around columns, pipes, and other curved surfaces. With its lightweight design and easy-to-use handle, the WOLFF Carpet Circle Cutter is the perfect addition to any toolkit. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out in the carpet installation industry, this tool will make your job faster, easier, and more accurate. Lazy Tongue Riveter Go 25 from Gobel. The Gobel Go 25 heavy-duty lazy tongue rivet tool is a top-of-the-line tool designed for heavy-duty riveting applications. Its durable construction and powerful design make it capable of handling even the toughest riveting tasks with ease. The tool features a comfortable handle and an easy-to-use lever action, allowing you to apply consistent pressure and achieve precise results every time. It is compatible with a wide range of rivets and can be used on a variety of materials, including metal, wood, and plastic. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Gobel Go 25 heavy-duty lazy tongue rivet tool is an essential tool for any toolkit. Shoreline Edger Easy Release. Shoreline is dedicated to creating new products that are simple to use and produce outstanding results, regardless of the user's skill level. These products are perfect for both homeowners and contractors. Shoreline has been a leader in designing tools that make painting projects easier, faster, and even more enjoyable since introducing their first blade router in the 1950s. This product line includes brushes, roller covers, mini rollers, paint trays, posts, frames, surface preparation tools, edging tools, and comfort tools. HOTO 35-in-1 Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The HOTO 35-in-1 Cordless Rotary Tool has a convenient Type-C charging base that enables charging anytime and anywhere. It has a comfortable sanded TPU exterior and a mechanical knob that eliminates the need to reset the speed. This tool comes with multifunctional accessories, such as a pet nail grinder, which expands the range of projects it can be used for. The LED ring light assists with detailing. Leister Gouging Tool. The Groovy Gouging Tool is a lightweight and convenient tool for preparing welding joints in resilient PVC and linoleum flooring. Its ergonomic design allows for creating the desired groove width and depth up to the connecting walls in a precise and clean manner with minimal pressure. Stanley Folding Stair Climber. The Stanley Stair Climber Trolley has a maximum capacity of 30 kilograms as a stair climber and 60 kilograms as a standard hand trolley. It is made of durable steel and has an adjustable grip handle and rubber wheels for easy handling and smooth operation. Its slim, compact design allows it to be easily opened and folded in seconds, making it convenient to move and store almost anywhere. It is easy to maneuver over stairs, thresholds, curbstones, and other obstacles, and it comes 100% fully assembled. SOMAFIX the Demolition Hammer. This tool is designed to be extremely powerful and efficient. With a power output of 2000 watts, a 30mm hexagonal drill bit, and 2x maximum performance. It provides maximum performance for a wide range of drilling and fastening tasks. Universal oil funnel from GROZ tools. This tool is designed to be versatile and easy to use, with a range of applications including vehicles, tractors, heavy machinery, and trucks for openings ranging from 1 inch to 3.1 inches. It has spring-loaded adjustable pliers that can fit into any opening and can be locked in place to keep the funnel secure. It allows for hands-free use, eliminating spills and mess. The tool is made of polypropylene and has a cone diameter of 5 inches, which enables easy pouring and shows oil flow to prevent overfilling. BIHUI Bucket Dust Collector. This tool is designed to remove dust from mixing mortar and grout in buckets and is capable of mixing cubes up to 35mm thick. It is compatible with a wide range of vacuum cleaners and has a 3-step rubber connector for easy use. It can be quickly mounted using the spring feature. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.